So I'm Sarah. I am 35 years old. I'm soon to be a mom. I'm an outdoor enthusiast, recreationalist in Colorado. I love rock climbing, paddleboarding, backpacking, doing all things adventure. And I was born without my left arm, as you can see, from amniotic band syndrome when I was in uterus. I wore a prosthetic hand all the way up until 5th grade. From as early as learning to crawl, I always had a hand back then. I think it was like a claw. They were so old. And then I had a myoelectric arm when I was in grade school. But ultimately, by the time I reached 5th grade, I just found it to be really cumbersome and frustrating as a kid going through a growing and changing body. And so I just stopped wearing it. I have a very robust online following thanks to my appearance on ABC's The Bachelor. And I even founded a nonprofit called SheLift that helps young women with limb differences also overcome some of the insecurities and self-esteem issues that can come with having a limb difference. As I'm drawing nearer to parenthood, I'm realizing the value of having a prosthetic hand will bring to my life. I'm really looking forward to the possibilities of, having a COVVI hand and stepping back into that technology and just learning about all the advancements that COVVI has brought to the table. And I think we have a huge opportunity to just show the way that the COVVI hand is just changing technology globally.